Got that lip off of the big grinder, it'll be quicker. They use some good quality steel anyway. Probably Japanese steel. Still a little bit to go. Back to the little one. You have to put them in the vise. I'll just switch off there and bring you back when we're ready to weld everything together again, but that's a ring ground. I'll just tidy up those two plates. We'll get the Oxford out in the afternoon and start welding. I'm just working on the welding this big plate on. I'm going around the other welds. I'm not a professional welder, but should be okay. So I'll film a wee bit more of the welding. This is the plate. When I took it off, it was welded right round both sides, so that's what we're going to do. I'm going to bring me gloves. Doing some up. And then we somehow have to get the rest of it in here and mounted on the tractor. So that could be fun. I think the easiest way is going to be to put the wheels back in the tractor and go and get it. And somehow make this so it'll go up and down with the left arms. It's Christmas Eve and today, and hope you all have a good Christmas tomorrow. But I'm not sure when this will be up. Probably in the new year. That's the only thing about stick welding, where it's really strong. It's, if you can do it right, the slag will lift, but like I say, I'm just an amateur welder. Right, we're going to have some bright lights here again, so if you suffer from photosensitivity or epilepsy, it's probably not a good idea to watch this. amazing how much steel will move actually when you weld it. Warps. I'm just tacking that so we can carry on welding it. Clean up. Get a thing called a chipping hammer to do that, but that was handier. I've already tried to set it on fire with the hot plate already. I checked my size with the verniers and we were within 0.2 of a millimetre, I think, something like that. Right, so I'll weld down this side, down that side, down that side and down that side, and just like that. Probably about 6 welding rods. And that should be ready to fit back on the tractor. I did think about putting a jacking point at the far end there, so we can lift it with like the trolley jack to push it up in. Might do that yet as well. We'll go from side to side to dissipate the heat a bit better. My builder's away on holiday for a week and a half-ish, so I'm not running after him anymore. Mind you, I was putting a radiator in today. And I discovered when the monster floor's finished, it's rebar in it and it's concrete in it, and there's a great and there's mesh in it. That's just the first floor, and then the second floor's insulation, and then the third floor's concrete again. But I don't think it's got rebar and stuff in it, hopefully. I think it'll be near a 10 rods by the time we're finished. Shoot the pack, I think. The old one was cracked where these end, but I think it was further back. I've moved everything back a bit so it's stronger. Doing this end. Well, I hope this is the right place because I really don't know how to grind this out. Blimey. A little bit where the angle grinder went. Right, give it. I remember back in the 80s when I used to go offshore, you'd have the oil rig and then you would have the floating accommodation, and one of them they used to lower down like a drawbridge down between the two. One of them had broke and fell off, and I think it killed some people. And then they after that, when they were welding, they monitored all the temperatures and made sure the steel didn't get too hot and that when they redid it. That's part of what I mean. That's professional welders. I'm just jumping about to keep the heat down in some bit. I don't think my welds would pass a radiology test. They call it bombing the welds. Right, here we go again. My rod was a bit short there, that's no problem. Nice. I think we'll just get it finished with the rods we've got. We're getting there. That's hard. And down this side again. One, two, three, four, five, 6 rods left. I think we'll just make it. That's the whole box used up today. Doing bits and bobs. I think the jacking point I'm going to bolt it on so it can be moved about just in case. I think I'm going to weld in the date just for fun in the back there. Once I get the outside bits done. If I've got enough rods. Okay, just a bit at this side and then the two end bits here. Done. A couple of bits underneath I did need to get out of, but just get them in a second. Another side, and that's it I think. Oh. That's it. Right, let's have a bit of fun writing the date. Do it Roman numerals. MMXX1 it isn't for this year. That'll pay for that. I just got a flashing light. I don't know if that's legible. My first M's not ready. MMXX1 2001 will be finished shortly. So the only thing I've got to do now is get a jacking point at the other end so you can jack it up into the where the pin goes through. Oh, excuse me, I'd paint it. I've got some red oxide I can use. I'll do it tomorrow. No, Christmas tomorrow. Never do it tomorrow. Anyway, that's all I'm doing just now. I had this side there, sliding it on, but just got to too complicated. Yeah, might do something with these. Put a pin through the bottom of them so we can pick it up, and then that'll let you get the pin in across the way to hold it. Or get shorter lift arms. We'll do something. But we're not doing it today. Quite a bit of welding there. Well, actually, we knew the jacking point can be. I don't think we'll need a jacking point. We'll just put a jack under the legs and lift it. I think. Once I get back onto the tractor, we'll have to work out a way that we can lift it up and down with the arms there. The only problem is they're not long enough to go right to the ground. When the digger's on, it can lift itself, so it can lift this up itself once it's all working, because it's got its side legs that go down. So you can power them and put them down and it'll just pick itself up. But until we get it all renovated, which will be sometime next year, and quite a lot of tires going into it. We'll need all new hoses for it, and some of the hydraulics are all stuck. I'll just need 3 doors, I think. An extra, I'm going to leave this all to cool down and then I'll get the pin in. Maybe do a bit tomorrow, I'll see. Okay, that's all for the moment.